Professor Breckeisen here, and in this tutorial, we're going to look at how to work with layers. So I'm back in After Effects here. Now I have a project that's open. You're going to see here that I have a lot of things going on in my project window, but I have some folders created, some different icons to look at. So you can organize this in certain ways. First of all, you can create folders. To create a folder, you're going to right click, choose New Folder. Here you might have some, let's say, JPEG or still images. So I'm going to call that still images, like this. And then now I can select these two images and I can bring them into my still images folder. There's a little caret here. I can click on that and I'll be able to see them. Down here is where we actually do a lot of the magic that we're going to be working with. And we need to remember that After Effects is a layer-based program. So the things that we have on top of our layer are things that are going to be at the forefront of our lens when we're working in 2D, which is what we're going to do for the most time in this class. That changes when you work in 3D, and we'll get there when you have those kinds of classes. So I'm going to turn off all the layers here except for the bottom one, and I turn it off by hitting these eyeballs. I can now work inside of this, this layer here. It's in the very far back like this, and we'll see that the next one I put on is that smoke. Then we have this character, and then we have a little bit of light that we added, and then some more smoke, and then on the very top we have an adjustment layer to work with our grain to add grain back to the image. And so all of those things are going to work in that layer perspective. The biggest thing to remember is that when you're here, if you can't see it, it's probably because it's you have it kind of backwards. So if I bring this layer up all the way to the top, we'll see that everything's gone, and I might go, oh no, what happened? They're still there, all those layers, but they're hidden behind this background layer because that one's all the way on top. So I'm going to bring it back to the bottom so I can see it. So that's how layers basically work. If you're familiar with Photoshop, you're going to be very comfortable here. And I hope that you enjoy your time in After Effects. I look forward to seeing what you make. Thanks.